Mm, Welcome back, episode 2, building the little website for our dentist. The DNS is propagated so we can, continue our work. And now, let's grab this. Mhm. So you see when we try to get to this address, it says not found. Why is it not found? Because we didn't do the configuration that is left to be done. Because remember our nginx conf here that we did for for this the show dev. Yeah? This one is inside of this virtual machine. You see, this is the IP address, and when we when we check this, we got this IP. So where is this IP? This IP is on the bare metal. You see? Ta-da! So which means on this bare metal, we will simply um, do dash out. Mhm. Here we'll get rid of these because these are wrong since we copy pasted it. I will show you how we will get this running, and the server name is this uh, we should be good. Mm, So if we check now, oh, this is the default. Oh, mm, show what we said in the documentation. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Here is the error. without looking into the without the looking into the log and the root for sure. Mhm. Oh, what is it now? Let's check our config once again. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Our PHP syntax was wrong. So we need to check. We will do like this. Um, our PHP is working. The thing is that style is blocked because see the security headers. So here on our you see these headers. Mhm. They are the blocking the loading of these external files are inlined. Mm-hmm. See, this one it's not like, but we will fix that later because we don't need to load this. It's just to test our PHP. So let's get back to work. Uh, I need to check something real quick. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we will do like this. We will remove the PHP info and we will go with some 10-liner PHP for the beginning that I come out over the years, and then we will extend from there. You can have a look at my GitHub profile. This code is over there. But in order to, like, for the purpose of teaching, right, we will do it again, no problem. So we will say PHP include pages actually include us, yeah, hello PHP, right, and then close it, and then again we'll start like this, and we will declare the directory variable like the place where our stuff is going to live. Then I will do the whitelist of array with the function, and this function is about files that can use this directory that we specified already, right? And then I need to put this will be the end, I believe. So let's do return like this. We specified the directory slash the file inside of this directory. This should be enough. And then actually we will close this function here. and then we will do array diff scan dir and which dir, I guess, is the same. And the array could be done with something like this. Let's write dry semicolon, and here let's say double dots, here one dot, current directory, and after one level. Then we check if is set. Is set is like to check and get something initially, but if is only if is set, you know. So we will say get, and then under these brackets we will say what we get in page, and then again we will have the page that has to be equal landing. Oh, actually just say landing, no extension so far, and we are done. Now else will be like let me think about this a little bit. I will have to do some routing here, so will be the route, and this route can explode into for the switch. Once when we scan the directory, we need to append to the pages, so we'll use this question mark, and then we will say again underscore get what we getting, guys. Again, we're getting just page. Sometimes this can be difficult, but once when the whole code is done, we will see what we did here. And then page is actually the route, our route to our 0 level. And here we will be page echoed, and then the file, the file is equal again directory / $page but this has to be under this quotes because each of these pages have extension that we're defining like .php, like this, closing this. So here we will echo the file to be consistent. Now a little bit of thinking again. Okay, so if in array if in this array we have this file, and if this file is whitelisted, whitelist is the name of variable, then file exists, and the file itself has to be included. So include what? Include this file. I believe we're good with this. Else, what else should be done when we querying this? What else should be? Else should, here we will do important include pages directory. So since this pages directory in our structure, single quotes slash photo4php, that we will do on hands our own photo4 file. And guys, I believe this should work. Let me check once again the syntax. So the PHP include under single quotes since header. PHP. Okay, so let's cd header. We will do like h2. Well, threshold, let's say like this. So we did it. The home page is missing. The photo code is missing as well. So we'll go in the pages. We will say sudo touch photo4 php, then sudo v photo4 php. Whoa. Resource not found. Check slash program visitor to not craft it anymore. No. Oh, we have landing, but it's empty. If we remove, because look, landing is empty file, 0 bytes. So if you remove landing, sudo no landing, no more landing, the series has not found, blah blah. So sudo v landing php. Well, on the web pages or after the threshold of the entries This should be now done. Much better. Now the CSS and the rest of the stuff, the favorite icon, the logo, and everything we will prepare in next episode if you don't mind. So in these two episodes we have fully working syntax of PHP and really simple. You see, really simple. We will continue to keep it simple. You see the services pages we didn't touch at all. So we need to make this for sure the mobile friendly and everything, but just be patient. We do one little step at a time. So until the next episode, please feel free to share. And you know, my clips should not be monetized. There should be no any advertisements whatsoever. I don't know. I'm not, you know, expert into this marketing stuff. Like I'm not expert into anything. I'm just a noob and schmoo who don't know a thing about anything. And all I do is just setting up this stuff and development of the little website, how they would like to say. Okay, until next time, guys. See you soon. If you'd like to see some other tutorials, maybe some other programming languages, or if you have any sort of questions, just post your questions in the comment sections. That will be everything for now. We're already almost 27 minutes. Bye bye.